A car travels 20 meters per second and accelerates at 2 meters per second squared. How far does it travel in 5 seconds? To solve this question, we have to identify the parameters given. The information that are given, we have to identify them first. From the question, initial velocity is 20 meters per second. That is the initial velocity. Acceleration is 2 meters per second squared. That is the acceleration, because the question says and accelerate at 2 meters per second squared. How far does it travel? That is talking about the distance. Distance is unknown. In 5 seconds. So the time is 5 seconds. So it took the journey in 5 seconds. So the first thing we do is for us to identify the correct equation from the various equations of motion. So the equations of motions, we have V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT squared, V squared equals U squared plus 2AS, S equal to U plus V, all divided by 2 multiplied by time. Now, from this equation, we have to look at which of these equations do you have U, A, S, and T. It is this particular equation. Therefore, we use S equal to UT plus half AT squared. We substitute S equal to, our U is 20, multiplied by our time, which is 5, plus half, our A is 2, multiplied by 2, and our T, which is time, is 5, multiplied by 5 squared. This will give us 20 times 5 will give us 100, plus half of 2 is 1, and 5 squared is 25. That will give us 25. So our S is 125 meters. Let us recall that our U is initial velocity, which is meter per second. Our V is final velocity, which is meter per second. That is the unit. Our A is acceleration, which is meters per second squared. Our S is the distance, which is in meters. And our T is time, which is in seconds.